Hey everyone, Robin from Autogeek at the Autogeek Show Car Garage in Palm City, Florida. Today here we're talking about the BLACKFIRE Engine Degreaser. It's a great product. It's strong enough to cut through the heavy crud in your engine compartment. You know, that's kind of one of the areas that some detailers kind of forget about, or even the vehicle owners themselves, they might forget to open up that hood, take a look, and really do a thorough cleaning every once in a while. This product is non-toxic, it's not harsh, it's safe enough to use in all the plastics and trim pieces in the engine compartment area. Pretty simple to use. You want to wet your surface with a fine mist of water, come back through, spray on the degreaser, and then let it sit and penetrate for 3 to 5 minutes. You can even come through with a small brush if you need to agitate and get into all the nooks and crannies. And then you want to make sure that you do a thorough rinse afterward. Let it dry, and you can always add a protectant on top if you'd like. For more information on this product and others from Autogeek, visit autogeek.com.